I'm Jabu Rollup. I'm about to show you how I broke down award-winning King of Diamonds, Canary Yellow. Let's get it.
All these games you play thinking you are smart won't get you anywhere, I've told you from the start. Come on, is a lady with a clock, are you ready, steady?
I've always been a hip-hop fan since I was like 8 years old. I always used to love music. Like, I would listen to the Pop Now 97 CDs, and I don't know why. This was the time, Ja and Ashanti had their run, so I was really into Ja, and I'm Jabu and he's Ja, so I was like, yo, yeah, and he was dating my childhood crush too, Ashanti. I fuck with Ashanti.
You will never find another. 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 You will never find another.
My software is, I've always been FL Gang. My inspiration come, I'm a big Lex Luger fan, and he's actually the reason why I thought I'd take it serious. And man, even though people shade it, but everybody knows that FL's the GOAT.
Now it goes. No, baby. Yeah, yeah. You will never find another. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Jabu, what inspires you? What's your inspiration?
Man, it's crazy because I feel like I don't really have an inspiration. I feel like it's really just what I feel at the moment.
Yeah.
Or maybe find something a little good, talk about. But yeah, most of the time it's just how I feel. Like whatever sound I hear and I feel like straight, I go for it.
And action.
So I'm about to break down Canary Yellow, but let me tell y'all first how it happened. Me, I be cooking beats every day. I be working and grinding. So I made this one beat where I was going through my stuff, like my previous songs, and I heard some vocals that I had, and I recorded with somebody. So I was like, man, let me play around with this, let me see. It was like a year after the initial song came out. So I flipped my own sample and then put my own drums on it. But I'm like, yo, I need a girl to get on this shit. Because I feel like it's a very heartwarming beat. So, it's bright, it's happy. So, I know ladies gonna bring that shit. Okay, Canary Yellow. Man, it's been a while ago, but I honestly love this beat. It started, I was in Lilongwe at the time, chilling at home. And then I was going through my old songs and stuff. I'm going through them, I found one of a really dope song that we recorded. So I thought, hey, why not try sampling it? I decided to sample it and basically pitch it up. I don't know how many setting tones, but we turned it up. So like, this is how it originally sounded like. Yeah, so that's actually how the main vocal, but I decided to switch it up to this. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, so like after I heard that, I was like, nah, I need a girl in this, or someone who can really sing some nice shit on it, Then, so that really set the foundation of the whole beat, and I started going with it. After getting that loop set, I was like, nah, let me try. I know it sounds soft, but let me make it a little hard, like, turn it up like that bass and let it hit. So So I started off, then I went into this kick right here. So the kick pattern was like, yeah, bro, real simple shit, like nothing complex. Yeah. So that's for the kicks, and then I feel like adding some like congas and shit, which I did, because I kind of wanted to bring that Afro feel. So the congas were. They sound like almost out of space type shit. You know, I put like reverb, a lot of delay, panic. Sounds real cool. Yeah. So there's that. Then we got the snare. That motherfucker be hitting hard. Got the snares in here. That I layered them because I feel like they, had a good tag team thing. A crunchy little reverb at the end. Yeah. Okay, now we got the hats. With the hi-hats, shit, funny enough, I've been in love with hats lately, like open hats. And the hi-hats and stuff. So I can put like 3 hats and it's crazy. It's crazy. But still, it has a rhythm like a soul shaker. So it's real cool. It's fire. So after the hi-hats, I think I put like I put 3 open hats. Like I said, I just been in love with open hats. And the key is to give them space. So yeah, this beat, I feel like I love it because it's very simplistic and it gives enough room for the artist to fill up, be the artist, because they're just as important as the instrumentals, the instruments that we use in the beats. So you just gotta give them enough space, lay out the landscape, let them do their thing. So then I finished this beat, I'm like, I need to go again. I hit up Kim of Diamonds, Shout out Kim too, she just won Best Artist of the Year award at the UMP. Big shout out to Kim of Diamonds. So I made this beat, I sent it to her. She's like, yo, I love it, I'm gonna start writing tomorrow. And we kept delaying the release. Like, it came out 2 months later, but I was still happy because it's really hard. And I understand Kim, she's really a perfectionist. That's why, she's fucking Artist of the Year, man, in Malawi. It's crazy. So yeah, I just cooked up the beat. I love it, honestly. It's one of my favorite beats ever made. So from here, man, I'm just thinking forward. I'm trying to get signed 2020. That's one of my 2020 deals. I'm gonna get signed. Deals with myself, personal goals. I'm gonna get signed. I don't know how, but I'm certainly gonna work for it. Just keep grinding, keep hustling. Red Light District. That's the next move. I had to switch it up a bit because I felt like at this point in time it wasn't working with me. When you work with different people, you're never always aligned. So, hey man, I just gonna keep doing me. I can't stop, won't stop. Yeah, Red Light.
We're a whole lot more, yeah. Ain't clinging to nobody that don't want me. That ain't how it goes. No, baby, yeah. You will never find another. Yeah. Yeah.